Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best hanging clothes organizer for kids, the Weekly Clothes Organizer by Handy Laundry. If you're a parent who struggles with hectic mornings and last-minute outfit chaos, this product might just be your new best friend. This organizer features 6 labeled shelves, each dedicated to a day of the week, from Monday through Friday, plus an additional shelf for the weekend. It's designed to hang neatly in your child's closet, making it super easy to prepare their outfits ahead of time. Imagine picking out all your kids' clothes for the entire week in one go, saving you precious minutes during those rushed mornings. One of the standout features of this organizer is its durability. Each shelf is reinforced with 2 sturdy bamboo inserts that provide excellent support, preventing any sagging or collapsing even when you load it with full outfits including shoes and accessories. This means you don't have to worry about the organizer giving out halfway through the week, and it holds everything securely. Aside from being practical, this organizer is crafted with kids in mind. The bright royal blue color is visually appealing, and the clearly labeled shelves not only help with organization but also assist kids in learning the days of the week. This adds an educational element to the product, making it both functional and fun for children. This design encourages independence in kids by allowing them to easily select and access their clothes for the day without constant parental assistance. It builds good habits early on and helps keep school mornings running smoothly and efficiently. Another great benefit is its generous capacity. Whether you have one child or several, the organizer offers enough space to accommodate multiple outfits. This feature makes it ideal for busy households juggling the schedules of more than one kid, significantly reducing morning stress for both parents and children. Installation is hassle-free as well. The organizer is wall-mounted, which means it doesn't take up floor space and keeps your closet tidy and accessible. Plus, it requires no assembly, so you can have it ready to use straight out of the package. In terms of size and weight, it is compact yet sturdy, weighing just over 1.5 pounds. And measuring about 13 by 12.5 inches, which fits comfortably in most closets without crowding the space. In summary, the Weekly Clothes Organizer by Handy Laundry is an excellent solution for parents looking to streamline their kids' wardrobe management. It combines durability, kid-friendly design, and practical organization into one neat, wall-mounted unit. If you want to save time, reduce morning chaos, and help your kids become more independent, this organizer is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.